Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I'm going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheet. You have seen the star ratings. And you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you're really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I am going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider, and I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The REDTIGER F7NP 4K dashcam with Wi-Fi GPS front and Type-C hardwire kit earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with brand. Visit the REDTIGER store. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is about this item 4K plus 1080p dual recording. The REDTIGER F7N dual dash cams records video up to Ultra HD 4K 38402.160p plus FHD 1080p resolutions. Helps you read the key details like road signs, vehicle number plates, etc. The sides, the front 170 degrees and rear 140 degrees wide-angle dash cameras ensure to reduce blind area, and important evidence can be retained and presented in the event of a collision. Wi-Fi Smart App Control. The dashboard camera can connect to your smartphone app via connecting Wi-Fi. Use the app to view, playback, and manage the dashcams on your iOS or Android devices. Furthermore, you can also download and edit videos in the app, and one-click sharing allows you to share your travel scenery and wonderful moments with your friends and family. Car camera with GPS. This drive recorder has a built-in GPS and records the driving route, real-time speed, location, etc. Tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our Windows and Mac GPS player, which will provide further additional evidence if an accident occurs. Reliable features for accident recording. The car dashboard camera has loop recording, allows continuous recording when SD card is full. When G-sensor detects a sudden collision, it locks and saves the collision. VIDEO:24H parking monitor enables the dashcam to record continuously for 24 hours with time-lapse function at parking mode. Hardwire kit is needed. Super after sales. Our greatest pursuit is to satisfy the needs of consumers. This dash camera is backed by full 1-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Email our customer service and we will answer any of your questions/concerns. We offer 724 hours technical support. See more product details. Not in a test environment. In the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is REDTIGER F7NP 4K dashcam with Wi-Fi GPS front and Type-C hardwire kit. If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There is one limitation I want you to know before you decide. Product information, features and specs. Compatible with vehicle type, car connectivity technology, Wi-Fi video, capture resolution, 4K mounting type, windshield mount, field of view 1.7E+2, degrees control method, app optical sensor, technology CMOS flash memory type, SD auto part position, front R batteries included, no display type, LED compatible devices, smartphone, car frame rate 30, real angle of view 170 degrees, auto part orientation, driver's side feedback. Would you like to tell us about a lower price? REDTIGER F7NP 4K dashcam with Wi-Fi GPS front and Type-C hardwire kit share. Found a lower price? Let us know. Although we can't match every price reported, we'll use your feedback to ensure that our prices remain competitive. Where did you see a lower price? Fields with an asterisk are required Peru. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago. And it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below, so you can check if the current discount is still live.